Teams are fine.
I wish there were more sirens at my door.
Like teams.
Oh, I see what you did there.
Fine.
Fuck off.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, there's flares in the gun bag.
Nice, I got the hand
Malon,
team.
can you do something about that thing? Oh, it's fine.
I'm downloading too much porn, I'm sorry.
Oh.
Hang on 1 second, guys.
Oh god. Okay.
Game timer has started.
Oh,
We're going?
The second we're out of lobby. Why?
Why did you go for the one that's AFK, idiot?
I'm hunted. Great. So I guess we're going then.
There's still a charger.
Yeah, let's go.
The charger who missed a stationary target.
No!
You didn't just shoot me.
Move.
You may want to save some items for the return trip.
One, two, three, go.
You can't 1, 2, oh wait, never
1, 2, 3,
mind,
go.
yes.
The smoker.
I totally wasted that. Oh, nice.
What am I stuck on? Oh wait, I'm a spitter. Their hands look so similar.
Are you trying to jump?
Fucking bread, dudes. Fucking bread.
I
Good
hate
pipe,
when I
let's go, go, go!
Go!
No, you gotta tell me somebody else has done that plenty of times.
Oh, I do that all the time.
Like I don't look at, I just look at the hands and I'm like, I'm a jockey.
I do that all the time.
I thought I was
First
jockey
time
the last
playing
game.
this
No
night.
fucking hunter.
Oh god.
Let's go to the mall.
No, come back!
Smoke forward, smoke forward. Never mind.
Hi, bread.
Trying to save my...
Exploding piece of shit.
Where the fuck was Gabe going?
I thought he was a
Oh, no,
little
I'm
bit
being
further.
smoke-lated.
No, go away.
I'm chasing you. Nice. That was pretty good for being their only attack.
Let's go.
We should go.
Yeah, let's not do that again. But I'm going back through this house.
Let's go!
I'm in a hurry.
What a nice house. Can we live here?
Hey, tier 2 shotguns in the bathroom.
We're good.
I'm sure they'll be very
separated
useful
by
in
two.
really long-range maps.
You're such a cockily. Be careful.
Hey, it's a charger.
Oh my god,
I'm jockeying right next to Shelf. I'm going back in the house.
Oh no, I'm
Nice,
smoke
good
rated.
save.
I'm smoke-lated. No, baby.
Where? Oh.
It's okay.
my
God.
I'll save everybody.
Oh,
No, I can't
Brett's
leave.
chargered again. Oh shit.
I can't leave.
Hunter
I'm
coming.
sorry.
No need to shoot me.
I'm healing.
Fred, come on. Shoot me one zombie.
Thanks, Ro. Come on, I'm in a hurry.
Oh, I should have looked in this house. Hang on.
But, no, wait, after 1, 2, 3, go. After 1, 2, 3, go. I'm gonna shoot you. There's a hunter.
Alright,
There's
1,
a
2, 3,
hunter.
go.
There's a hunter. We should go.
1, 2, 3, search for items.
Hunter. Oh my god, he's there. I see him.
Then just shove him.
No. When
The
I say
secret is-
he's
oh,
there, he's the. I'm Chicago.
I got bread. That's all that matters.
Mr. Fred, please.
Hey, nowhere. Oh, hey, Uni.
I should use my melee weapon. I often forget that's a thing.
I'm getting the man. Oh no!
You should not. You should not.
Get up! Hey, over here!
Okay, a witch is coming.
Oh no! I want you to be going.
Do not want to be
Are
there.
you?
I want you to be going. I can only go so fast when I'm going.
Hold fast.
I'm holding my
Hold.
W key.
I'll
Get
get you
him up,
1
get him up.
second.
Don't worry about it. Nice. I'm gonna eat these old
How is bread not dead? Left 4 Dead's alright, dude. This bread guy's giving me a hard time, though.
It's okay, I'm right here.
Oh my god, the spit pattern.
Thank you.
I'm doing very badly with Horde. I'm punching right at the yard sale. Thank you.
I got the deep rope.
Nice grad step on having food.
Alright, it's home. It's just a.
We're going.
You need
How are we
Blizzard
doing
in the
this?
northeast area of
Going fast.
America.
I'm gone. Just leave me. Just leave me. Just leave me. Just go. Hello, Mr. Smoker. You saved me.
Reloading.
Thank you.
Don't Lieutenant just run.
I
going.
need to heal or I'm gonna die.
Oh, Chronoclone.
This was not a good place to do it in retrospect. But thank you for protecting me. Nice. Ooh, good rain on that.
Thank you. Die, bread. Jesus.
Come on, get your ass up.
We must preserve this bread in the safe room.
I was about to go search for items, but the safe room is right there.
It's right there. Come on.
Hang on, there might be items.
Nice kill.
Let's go.
Is this smoker trying to grab?
We have to go. We have to go. We have to
Shove
go.
me, shove me, shove me. Nice.
Headshot. Nice pipe.
Oh, thanks. We did it, fam. How dare you?
Fucking admin
That's
hacks.
rude. Rude as hell.
Should
Next.
never tolerated bait spawning.
Whoa.
IRL, though.
Whoa.
What are we supposed to signal him with? Oh, there's flares in the gun bag.
Can you please slay me in real life?
You didn't
Yeah.
grab the guns?
Please.
Me? Who died
Alright,
and
guys.
made me
As long as we
go
stand still, they can't charge us, alright?
Yeah, the gas station's right across the street. We could have already been there.
They're like
back by now.
T-Rexes.
Come on.
This will work.
No, don't actually stand still. That's a terrible idea, friends. Alright,
Win the
goodbye,
fight.
Gafgarion.
Okay,
Whoops.
spit.
100 in this spit. Oh my god.
Nice.
It's a tank, fam.
I ate your fam, bro.
I sure wish the burger tank was open. I could go for
I ain't your bro, cuz.
Look, I cleared the way of zombies, friends. Let's go on an adventure
There's
together.
a tanktuary.
Yeah.
Let's hit.
Oh, perfect. Perfect. Frame
Who wasn't
that
even
trash
looking at
in
me?
the fucking museum.
I can't help but look at
So, friends, we can go over the hill. It's okay. We don't have to hunt for
I wanted to
things.
teach the smoker.
Will you cut that shit out?
You gotta look for items.
I'm reloading.
Heads up!
Your score is gonna be really shitty if you don't look for items.
Oh no.
you. If you don't look for items, you're gonna die.
Gafgarion, that's not how you.
That's not how you look for
Gafgarion.
items.
Smoke. Smoke. 100 smoke.
Reloading my gun.
100 heal. I'm gonna get charged. No one covered while I'm healing.
Okay, I got hurt.
Guys, we're dying.
Oh, I'm smoked by the
Gafgarion, why are you
cleansing
not
fire.
near any of us?
He went exploring, so be rude.
Gotta get that score multiplier up.
Yeah. Item exploring multiplier.
I wish.
Alright, everybody just heal.
Just imagine it.
Oh, that was a bit. Don't look at me.
I'm dying.
I'm under the slide.
I'm really dying. I'm so dying.
Now you're double dying.
Double dead.
This is why you don't run away from your goddamn team, Gafgarion. Jesus Christ.
I thought somebody was.
Yeah, this is why you look. You don't just.
This is why I.
This is how I fuck.
I think I'm smoking you. Ooh, why is this so hard?
Whoa.
It looks like you're booming out. Would you like another?
I hate you. I fucking hate you.
The new button orders you a new boom every time you press it.
Hold on a second.
Stop, please stop.
Oh, someone spit. Get out of the spit.
Oh my god! I can't deal with this.
No, it's back
How
on
have
board.
you lived so long?
It's questionable. No.
Ooh, good!
Hunter by the ambulance, Hunter by the ambulance, Hunter by the ambulance, Hunter by the ambulance, Hunter by the ambulance.
I can't reload. We're so reloading.
You what? Fucking basic looking out.
I've lived every hour of my life as a boomer.
It's the only life I've ever known.
Kill that jockey, kill that jockey, kill that jockey.
Jockey in the spit. Jockey in the spit. All the spit.
Oh, so close.
Goodbye,
Oh god, watch the spit.
horses.
Fucking invisible spit.
Smoke.
Oh my god, I can't spawn.
That was fun. That was an adventure. God bless the Gafgarion team. Hi, David. His birthday is apparently September 6, 2005. That
What are you
makes you
doing?
like 10 years old. You're too young for this stream. Get out.
Watch out!
Hunter to your left. Hunter to your left. Hunter to your left. Behind you! Behind you now! Oh my
Warning,
god.
just look at Genocide's monitor.
Oh my god. You have a melee weapon.
But also all
Swing
of the
in
zombies.
circles.
All the circles.
I lose every game, Raiden. I'm bad. I'm the new Candlejack.
Bread is dead.
Rest in pieces.
You guys think that maybe I'm the new Candlejack?
Don't say that, Huggins.
Hawkins?
Don't ever say
Huggins?
that. Claude Huggins.
Clean.
It's okay, Clit Huggins.
No, dude. I mean,
Someday I'll load it.
I am the bearer of the Candlejack
Someday we'll
curse.
find the Malon connection.
Guys, it's snowing
Look at this
outside.
amazing team synergy.
I know, right?
Whoa!
Wowie, wow, wow.
Wowie!
I'm opening the door.
One time I had fun.
It was awful.
Someday I'll have fun again.
No, I liked it. That's the worst part.
Oh, that's pretty gross, dude. Gabe, you've been very quiet. Hello.
Hello.
Hey,
Hi.
I'm a little distracted, sorry.
I'm putting down the
Second one.
incendiary ammo.
Oh no.
Stop
Where's my
having-
med kit? Where's...
I ate your sandwich.
Huggins
I'm
styles
sorry.
ice cream. I like that
Oh,
definitely.
there's 2 incendiary ammos. That means
Why?
we have an
Why?
explosive.
Why?
Aw.
I wish that's what it meant.
Remember those
Hello,
days?
it's me. I was wondering if after all the years yours like to meet and go over everything they say.
Nice.
Sometimes supposed to. What is that? Is that
I
words?
smell it.
There's a smoker. I'm stuck back in the corner.
Oh, I should have shoved you. I was a fool.
Remember, if you're
I'm
going in a
hunted by the
straight
sun.
line, Gafgarion can't charge you.
Yeah.
Let's go.
You don't even have to be moving. I still can't charge.
It's nice to see if someone as bad as at charger as me though.
It's okay, I'm pretty bad too. I mean, I'm bad at this game, but...
Red bit my spit.
Yep.
There's a smoker behind us.
No.
I
It's a joke.
that. I'm gonna throw my pipe
boom.
bomb. Watch this. It's a pipe bomb.
Throw your pipe bombs up. Throw your pipe bombs up.
I didn't know it was Adele lyrics. Okay, God, stop teasing me.
There's a charger coming.
No.
Joke back.
We should progress.
I'm
I'm
sorry.
gonna eat my pills because it's an emergency.
Yeah, take your emergency pills.
By virtue of
He's a
taking the
spitter.
emergency pills, it is no longer an emergency.
Look at this lack of an emergency. I'm proud.
I'm crowning.
Smoke back.
What? Where?
Thanks. Never mind. You got me.
There's a hunter.
Oh my god, I keep zooming in.
Let's attack together.
Which, I believe...
Chicago lead.
You may not believe this, but I think there's a witch.
I'll find that question again.
There's a weak jockey
No.
behind us.
Oh my god.
Boomer.
Fucking
I'm
Nice.
the hunted one, I'm hunted back. I'm hunted back. Oh, I'm saved. I'm got you back. You're never gonna save me. I'm saved.
No.
Smoker's still up, okay.
No, I killed him.
Oh, nice.
Man, there's so many people in chat. I can't even see the entire user list. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Claude Huggins Power Hour of Despair.
I'm almost out of ammo.
Wow.
I've been shooting you too much. I'm sorry, they're my bullets of love.
Okay,
Hunter.
Flowey.
There's pills in the shack here. Pills in the shack.
I'm in the shack.
Grab the pills while you're in there.
I'm charged up over the ramp and I'm going to die.
There's pills
Oh
on
no,
the
I'm
floor.
hunted inside the house. I'm hunted. Mr. Claude.
Help.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
really
Dr.
ready to put another
Claude.
attack class right now.
Dr. Huggins.
How drunk is French right now? Jesus.
Dr. Hard Gains. Oh yeah, we should stay down here.
I wish I was
Yeah.
Dr. Hard Gains.
Where are
We're
you?
at the bottom of the ramp. Oh, we're on the other side of the ramp, I should say.
I'm hunted to the silo.
Sorry, I'm reloading.
We fucked up, I'm sorry.
Please. Please. Oh, you've saved me. Thank you.
Don't say that yet, but we're trying. I'm gonna
I have to
heal.
heal.
Yeah.
I'm healing in this little
Holy
corner.
shit.
Please protect me. Please
Okay, I'm
protect
healing
me.
on the ramp.
Hi, KK dolls. And just VVVV.
Okay.
Oh, you got him before I could.
And Big Blanc.
Red.
Come on, I'm in a
Okay,
hurry.
let's
Now
go.
it's time to
Take
go.
Let's go. I'm
Oh
liberated.
no. My one weakness.
I'm hugging the corner.
Yeah, keep your back to the wall.
There's skill.
Oh no, I'm punching in my back to the wall. It was a mistake. I'm punching again. Alright. We're gonna be okay.
I'm Chicago going back towards the
Oh my god. Fucking bread running around in front of my scope.
Whiskey Fiend. Good name.
You.
There are melee weapons. There's a pen in here if anyone wants it.
I'm marching forward.
I know, I'm right behind you. There's a witch. I think there's a witch.
No. Oh, thank you. Whoops, I ate it.
Smoked on the left over here. For the witch. Oh.
There's the left.
Never mind.
Look for Gabe's corpse. That's where it is.
Oh no! I'm charged all the way back. I'm dead, I think. I've carried the charger.
It's about damn time I hit someone.
You did it! Stop hitting me, please. Please let me go. Owie.
Let's see how many y'all are in there. Let's see. Claude, Huggins.
That was a bodily injury.
24 viewers.
Quite painful, actually.
Spoiling me.
Grabbing a shot. Grabbing a shot.
Okay, friends, I'm gonna take a gun. And a gun.
What are you gonna do with this?
Put it against my
Mr.
temple and pull
Huggins?
the trigger.
Oh, Mr. Huggins, no.
Claude.
Claude Huggins.
Oh, why is my ankle so itchy and painful? God, I look good in this scarf. Holy shit. Avant-garde. I'm like Uchiha Sasuke.
Careful, Hunter.
Gaboom.
I'm sure it'll be super useful. Yeah, I'm gonna deplete all their incendiary ammo.
Charger, before I'm gonna get spit on a little bit.
I am charged
Melee
to
to
the
your
right
left.
of the entrance.
Good.
Oh my god.
Thank you.
Reloading! Grabbing fire bullets.
Whoops.
Owie! Ow!
Let's go, friends.
This way. Fine.
Boom!
Hey.
The spit,
I
goddamn
can't even
spit.
fucking move.
You didn't need to.
Charger into the door frame. How am I
Who has the melee weapon?
I do.
Take your pills and let's go. Gafgarion, give your pills to give your adrenaline to Claude and I'll give you pills.
Where is he?
Ahead, clearing a path. I'm in the horde.
Oh, they didn't open the door at the time.
Hunter right behind the entrance. Hunter by the entrance. Hunter by the entrance.
Aww.
God damn it, in the spit
And then
again.
nothing
All
else
the way
away.
to the spit.
Look at it. Grabbing a shot.
Oh, there's four sets here.
Lots of pills.
I dropped in.
Let's go, friends. Let's go. Smoker out and to the left. Past the spitter spit. Smokered out and to the
Another-
left.
there's
Past the
pills in
spitter
the corner.
spit.
Take the
Oh,
pills.
nice idea, man.
Or others.
Hi, Fernando.
No.
Finally, I killed you, Chronoclone.
For now.
I'm smokered back.
Shoot up. Shoot up.
Warning, that's a terrible thing for a parent to advocate.
Let me just get in this room.
Hold up, gonna heal.
Smoke. To the left.
Yeah, let's go forward, friends, before we get spit on in that room.
Oh, bad luck with that pipe bomb.
Okay. I said... Oh, did I not say hello, Margers? It's okay, I saw your chat. And I saw how you wanted to kiss me and make me feel better, dude.
Watch out! Reloading!
Fucking die.
Oh, that chainsaw's a little more powerful than I thought.
Get it off me! Get it off me!
Some help over here.
Hey, get your ass up now! Come on!
Need some help.
Get up, get up, get up!
Pills in here.
Oops.
Charger missed.
I'll drop you.
Oh, let's go.
Heal.
Healing. Cover me.
Let's go.
There's a smoker next to the witch on the left.
Smoker in front. Smoker and a jockey. Smoke, smoke, smoke.
A hunter's around.
We got a roamer!
Will you cut that shit out?
Okay, friend's gonna go to the right. No, we're gonna go straight.
One day I'll activate the switch.
Oh god, don't hit that witch.
I'm smoked in the fire.
Oh god, there's another
And 100 in the fire.
Morning.
There's so many.
Oh god, that's why don't I have tape music?
You got a
Yeah, I
spinner!
didn't hear either. Our last trump card.
Whee!
Really?
Wait, how are we still not caught up in points?
Let me jump off in peace. Let me jump off in peace. I just
Damn
want to
it.
jump off in peace.
Alright.
Okay, take.
Oh, couldn't even make it.
What, Kidberry? I think... What?
And Gabe ends with a perfect score of 420.
Oh my
Nice.
god.
Look at that shit.
So fitting.
Oh, it's beautiful.
I just wanted to jump off zombies.
And now for the shortest map in the game.
Oh, I'm ready.
It's so much fun when you actually manage to make it to the elevator. It's like one of the best maps.
It's a good gauntlet after that.
It's just fact that you never make it like 60% of the time.
We just have to remember to be battle buddies.
Gotta rub my tired
60% of
eyes.
the time
I honestly
you make it
think
never
Malon
at
is
the
drunk.
time.
Well, it's fine on regular verses, but on Realism it's fucking impossible.
Yeah, that cornfield in Blood Harvest and the sugarcane field both become way harder.
The beginning of Blood Harvest is a lot harder on Realism too.
Ooh, yeah.
Someone should take this. Oh, big bum.
I never had the chance to play Blood Harvest before the Realism era. I only started playing Left 4 Dead 2.
I think we should go.
Well,
no, I'm not going.
Left 4 Dead 1 is way, way easier in general.
Oh yeah,
Infinite melee. Yeah.
Well, they patched out Infinite Melee after like 2 months.
After Left 4 Dead 2.
There's no spitter.
Both of those are correct.
You just corner up anywhere.
He's a boomer. Oh no. I'm hiding in the safe room. I think that's a good idea. Perhaps.
I'm jockeying in the room next to the dining room. Going out the door. Going around to the back of the... There's a charger outside the door. Don't go out.
I know.
Let me die. I'm going to the dumpsters. They're taking out the trash.
How did you kick me out of the window, Charger?
The same way you could lean out and shoot at me.
Jockeying behind the thing.
Not really the same, no. I'm charged off to the right. Oh my god.
Alright, so...
Careful of the Chicago Libra.
Gabe should be dead? No, Chrono's dead.
Reason being my bullets aren't quite as fat as you, Charger.
Guys, talk about that.
Claw,
No.
claw.
I'm getting you.
Oh! Ooh, nice.
Nice, yeah, good job.
It may have not been worth it, but thank you.
I got you.
Probably saved you.
Hunter. Charger, be careful.
You were not careful enough.
Oh, I'm
Claw,
so sorry.
claw.
There's a spinner. Healing.
Genocide whip stop JPEG.
There's a boomer.
Constant pressure.
Constant
Alright, I'm healing.
pleasure.
Same, YOLO.
Ooh, goo.
Hey, I'm the one who started that shit. Back off my nuts, Claude.
Wait, come back. I'm gonna get Chucky again. I'm gonna get you. He was waiting.
Is it Charger?
What did you do?
Oh, sh!
Oh, the
Good save. I made a really
car there.
bad idea.
You should have just
moving.
saved that.
I wanted to go.
You should have just saved it.
I wanted to go.
We gotta go now, we gotta go now.
I'm going.
I couldn't go fast enough.
There's a hunter.
I just wanted to go.
Oh no, I'm hunter-lated. Go,
Move your butts to the right side.
How do you fucking spawn here?
Well, you should have saved that.
And cue the tank.
Where are we?
Tanks never spawn before the elevator.
That's a lie.
Okay, tanks very,
I'm
very
making it.
rarely
I'm making
spawn
it.
pre-elevators.
I'm at the elevator.
I'm getting close to the
safe.
elevator.
I feel like they usually spawn before the elevator.
I think I'm dead, Sam. Yeah, I'm dead. I'm all the
She's
way
dead.
back.
Get in the elevator.
I miss you.
No, on the center pipe you can get me. Thanks.
It's so lonely.
I swear to God, if they rescue Malon,
I'm scared.
I'm
Where is
here.
everyone?
Oh my
I'm at the
gosh.
elevator. Oh, I'm fucked, aren't I?
You'll be fine.
It's okay, we're coming. You saved me. I'm eternally grateful. There's a hunter. I'm pounced. Fucking damage pounds.
Why did you sit there and not at the fucking elevator?
Shotgun shack. Nice.
Enter the elevator.
I'm black and white.
Enter the safe bosom of the elevator.
You spit on nothing.
You made it.
We made it, fam. Now we can jump, right?
No, now we
fuck me, dudes.
Chrono,
Oh,
you
I'm
take
gonna die
this.
if I get hit.
Bled for this fucking opening in
We'll
that.
see about that. We're back up and throw it right now.
It's a charger. I'm so scared.
Oh no, I missed everybody. How did I miss everybody? Oh my god. How did I miss
Well,
everybody?
it's been fun,
There's
guys.
a
Let's go.
tank.
gotta run.
No!
Forget your friends, forget your family.
Guys, am I
just
really
run.
bad at this game?
Oh my gosh.
Or is it just my teams? I don't know.
There's also a charger coming. Oh.
I know I'm already dead.
Oh.
Hey!
Go, Chronoclone. My beautiful waifu. Oh. No!
Oh my, fuck you.
God. Oh my god. Go, you beautiful thing.
Go, you beautiful queen.
My beautiful slut. What? I don't know. Oh my gosh.
Claude, can you slay me? Thank you.
Oh my gosh. You're gonna. Oh my.
Oh my, thank God.
I did it! I'm in!
God, I'm inside. Oh my
Oh
god.
my god.
Oh my god.
What?
Frodo!
Oh my god.
What just happened?
I cannot be stopped!
You hit me!
I cannot be
Claude!
stopped!
Claude, I had 9 health!
You met an unstoppable object.
Claude,
That was beautiful.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Beautiful.
That was great.
That's what I deserve at this point.
Claude, why?
I wish I could shoot the gas station and it would explode in my face.
The gods looked down and they smiled.
I got one.
Let's get back to the damn boat.
Didn't we play this map last night, Gabe?
Well, I need the alt tab real quick.
Yeah, it's a
Oh my God.
much more disastrous result.
Oh my god, that was a disaster.
Benface.gif, what is this? Yeah.
I don't
Those are the
remember
best
anything
goals.
about
Gafgarion,
it.
take the bile instead of the Molotov.
But it's raining. I need some fire.
Gotta get warm.
That's a good GIF, Deathwing.
I have it recorded, Chrono, and so does Claude.
Oh my god.
Claude Huggins.
I don't know what happened to the charger because it just
I had
died.
9 health, and Claude walked up and scratched me. That's
I didn't think the
acid.
spitter does that much claw damage, but...
Oh my god.
Reloading.
All worse than this. We gotta haul us out of here.
I don't want to go outside. We're gonna die right off the bat. Jockey in the diner?
Hunter in the
diner?
outside next to a gas can station. Fuel pump, that's what it is.
Wait, are you still getting jockeyed? I thought I killed that.
Down here. Let's roll. All right.
Well, this is at least it's not going worse than what they did, right?
Mmm.
Hey, that's not cool.
Hold on, y'all.
No, it's happening again!
I warned you about boomers, bro.
Throwing a pipe bomb.
Oh my god, that spit's huge.
That is a ridiculous spit.
Someone needs to do a fucking study on spit spread.
Just let me love you. Oh.
Jockey in the safe room.
Field.
Oh.
Grab a charger.
He only ran while their charger's dead.
Run.
Yep, that was pretty bad. My bad.
You weren't even looking at me, how did you spit
Alright,
on
throw your
me?
pipe bomb, let's run. Throw your pipe bomb,
Right.
let's run.
Alright, I'm finally back.
I'm in the corn.
Throw your bile, Gafgarion, throw it left.
I've been kidnapped.
I'm stuck back. I'm stuck straight back.
Hunter right on the pipe. Right down the middle on the pipe. Hunter right down the middle of the pipe.
Hunter dying up.
Hunter right down the middle on the pipe.
I mean, jockey down the pipe. Oh, to the right of the pipe.
I'm gonna die here.
I'm right behind you, Nick.
Oh, pick me up, pick me up, pick me up, pick me up, I'm gonna die.
Look out, so the spit! Damn it!
We gotta pull our shit together.
I'm gonna try my bend look.
Use some help over here.
Time to move, let's go.
I thought I had my charge back.
No, I'm smoking again.
A little up ahead.
No, stop, let me go.
Honestly, the sugarcane field makes me question realism.
I kinda wish we could play realism sometimes.
It's way higher than I thought it would be. And,
7 people that voted are fucking liars.
Whoa. There were 8 actually. Or something.
Grabbing a bio bomb. Grabbing a bio shot.
Thank you.
Grabbing a shot.
Huh?
What?
I haven't loaded in. Hi, okay, I'm here. Hello.
Wasn't last night's game on hard rain?
Yeah.
Oh, Christ.
It's all coming back to you now, isn't it?
It's all coming back.
No. Screw this. Tits. Let's go. We ready? This is all going to damn. God damn it. Tits. God.
We should go.
God damn it, tits. I'm jockeying going back to the safe room. Good save.
No.
I'm gonna throw a pipe bomb because fuck this shit.
Concurred.
Oh, I'm smoked on the rooftop like a dumb baby. Thank you, good save.
Charge is still
Good
up.
night, Bob Ross.
We should go.
I'm trying.
Let's go, let's go.
Alright, I'm here.
There's a boulder.
Oh god, I'm hunted on the roof. Thanks.
I've never known such
I'm
pain
gonna
as
jump in
this
this
game.
house. Maybe.
Searching for item points. I'm in the. Oh no, I'm too close to the house. Right in front of the window.
It's okay.
Got the good.
Can't see shit, Captain.
What, Captain? Are we sailing the sea now?
There's that charger. Oh, damn.
It's a good thing. Yeah, I was standing still.
There's a spinner on the roof. We're going through the house?
Yeah.
Wait, I'm behind.
Oh,
play
Gabe.
I was killing the charger. Give me a break.
Gabe said while in school.
I'm here.
Thanks.
I have to go replace my gutter tops.
I'm spit.
Chuck it back.
Oh shit. One sec, we're all kind of fucked up here.
Thank you,
It's
bro.
okay, we got it.
Cut that shit out.
Look out now.
Oh, cool.
Let's go.
Hey.
Got the zebra.
Ninja sword here.
There's a spinner. And a smoker.
No, I'm not smoked. Never mind.
There's a charger.
Spook that.
And our charger misses people standing still yet again.
Hey, it wasn't me that time, though.
Somehow slide off
Oh,
everybody.
it's a tank. Run.
There's a
Fucking
boomer.
run.
Right behind you, Chrono.
Yep.
They're on the roof. They're on the roof. They're on the roof.
Not for long.
Yep, he's behind the house waiting for us.
They're gonna
wait for
jump
me to
over
go,
you.
Gabe, and then... Alright, go, Gabe. I'll be the distraction.
They're jumping over you.
Adrenaline, go!
I'm slow.
Oh Jesus! Oh God! Oh Jesus! Oh God! Close the door!
No!
I'm not in there!
New plan, we killed them all. You can do it, Chicago, I believe.
He's trapped in here, though. So
You did it, you saved us.
I guess we can all get here at least.
You were the real hero, Gabe. Whoops! Whoops, this was a bad idea. Charger coming.
Oh no, I'm charging. I'm charging.
And I'm boomed and dying, if it matters. Boomed and dead. Oh my fucking god. Good run, though. You died heroes.
Oh, no.
Just for one day.
Rip.
I'm out of ammo, I'm dead.
Fucking too scared to go in the safe room. It just died outside it. We're gonna spawn
25
in.
points for that.
Generation.
Yeah.
We're gonna get 25 points.
We're gonna spawn in the next round of the tanks to be in the safe room.
Oh no.
Grabbing a shot.
Grabbing puke.
Grabbing a bile jar.
Grabbing a shot.
Reloading.
Nowhere, if you could do me a favor and just link me all those links in the chat so I can actually click on them without alt tabbing, I would really super appreciate that.
Goddamn
I
town's
wish
flooded.
I was king.
It's like a fabled city
You
of Atlantis.
that you were queen. And now
Reloading.
I'm a cat.
Yeah.
Same, except I'm that cat girl from Monster High.
Ooh goo.
Raiden, I lost, dude. Look at it. Look at that point. I can't make. We lost.
Someday I'll be a waifu.
Oh my god. Can't wait till I can afford 2D surgery.
Someday I'll win a fucking Left 4 Dead 2 match.
When?
I don't know.
Oh.
Only you can decide when.
We can get across the roof. Right now.
Throwing a pipe bomb.
What? Where am I? I'm stuck.
Smoker bag.
Oh no, they all have shoot the guns.
I gotta punch him, that's all that matters. Oh.
Soften them up.
Yeah.
Back.
Hunter, right in the middle. Hunter, right behind you,
Oops.
literally on top. Melee. Oh god, I was literally in your body frame. Why did I take so much damage?
Literally.
Oh shit! Watch out!
Oh, is it going to talk like a robot again? I've been waiting for this day.
Got you.
Oh, that's not how I imagined that going.
From where? Where? Where were you when you boomed me?
I was in the back door.
Right there.
Oh, okay.
Could that boom even have happened from that angle? I don't think so.
Are boomers real?
This time on Mythbusters.
There's a pipe bomb on top of this by my spray.
Fabled Chronoclone.
Right here, on top of the TV.
Turtle.
God. It's like a super moon. You only see it once in a lifetime. That's actually not correct, is it?
It's okay, we'll pretend
There's a
it
pipe
is.
bomb right here, back here.
Everyone just silently accept it.
Someone, there you go.
Reloading. Reloading.
Please, we're outside in the yard sale.
jockeyed in the house because I'm slow.
I'm hunted in front of the house. Throwing another pipe bomb. The pipe bomb is thrown.
Oh my god, Gabe. Such a player.
Flipping his rockets, huh?
Yeah, you knew it.
Adrenaline shot here.
Thanks, coming.
Goodbye, horses.
Good charger up on the roof too.
Oh, I just got charged
Get
back.
fucked! I saw you going.
I got charged back. Oh.
And they're already gone.
Found smoke right behind you.
I came all the way back just to spit.
Y'all, I'm healing.
I guess no one's gonna come back and save me.
You were gonna
Okay.
run. Don't act like you were above gauntleting genocide.
Let's go, fam.
Don't pay attention to my inventory.
Oh, okay.
Grabbing a shot.
There's a dead end over here.
Huggins, please. Oh, he's doing it!
Oh my god, we can't let this happen. We can't let this happen. Fam.
Oh, you put the car in my way! Oh my god. You did it, Huggins. You did it.
All it took was an illegal adrenaline.
Performance enhancing drugs make the sport more entertaining. It's okay.
Just helps us escalate escalates the entertainment.
Kill me.
Man, I need to put some age preferences on my OkCupid. Jesus Christ.
Ooh.
What are you looking for, 16-year-olds?
60-year-olds, you mean?
Almost didn't make it.
Oh. I gotta get those sugar mommies.
Sugar grandmommies.
Gotta get those inheritances, you know?
All the gilts.
You should message me if you respect that I prefer to wait until marriage to have sex. No. Hide. Moggers, I am proud of that filth.
Alright guys, if we just come right set up the safe room and make it to the finale, all of us through it, we could win.
Got this, easy.
Too easy.
I believe.
There's a charger. There's a charger.
Oh yeah, you're dead, Brad.
How did you take him over the
No,
thing?
where are you?
Well, we're going that way anyway.
No, reloading. Okay, we can't leave you.
Reloading.
You're an important part of the team morale.
Thank you, Nowhere, for the links. I love the bent face.
Alright, set this up, Claude, set this up.
There's a charger.
No,
smoked on
there
the
was supposed to go for the button, and then I was gonna smoke
Oh,
them,
the other way
and we were gonna
around.
charge
I see
them
what you
off,
mean.
and then you went too
I
early.
started the event. I dropped on.
Calm yourself, Moggers.
They were gonna go for the button, and I was gonna smoke them.
Screaming internally.
Oh, there's a bunch of pills by the dumpster.
It was gonna be so quick, Claude. You can do it.
Ooh, hunted behind the counter. Hunted behind the counter. Hunted behind the counter. I'm done.
Oh, you still...
Got you, baby.
Thank you.
I got
Sorry,
you.
I
Got
thought
you
that
from the
was-
Cover
birthday
him.
sign.
Nice.
Please cover him. I'm getting him. I'm getting him.
I'm very
only had
bad at this
charge.
game, I'm sorry. Brad, are you okay?
Oh my gosh.
You're not okay, but
I'm
I'm
getting
here.
him. He's It's okay. I'm pounced. I'm pounced.
I'm
pounced.
Oh,
Gotcha.
why did I try to help?
I leave it. Shit, we ain't got time for this, man.
Oh my god. I just want to get you up.
Oh, it's a static car.
Clearly you're not good enough. No.
Jump.
Wow.
Please let me go. No!
Dunked.
Suicide's a sin, Red. Oh my god, Alice. Oh. I thought you were gonna just sit there.
No. I wanted to die with my chrono waifu.
Oh.
Just let me die with you.
This fucking cult of personality falls apart the second I'm dead.
We missed you.
Please donate $10 if you believe that I'm the only one who can stop the Anglamon apocalypse.
Digimon?
Digimon.
Anglamon, it's the new Digimon. You have like
I need to travel to the digital realm to enlist the aid of the Digimon, and with that, but to do that, I need 1,000 pounds of solid gold. You can help me reach this goal today with a minor donation of $10.
Oh my god, you got me! You got me out of midair. 100, guys.
I'm in the bedroom.
Guys.
It's too late for you, Gina.
Guys.
If only you were with your team.
You flew too
Another
close to
lobby
the sun,
ruined by genocide owls admin abuse.
Chase this, you
I
zombie
wish I just slapped myself on top of the Burger King side.
Help, I'm being oppressed.
Oh, shoot the down. Still smoked?
I'm dead.
Oh. Oh.
Just in time.
How did you die, Claude?
Wow.
Are you okay?
The ultimate insult to the recently dead teammate.
Oh.
Stabbed to your own death.
We're behind
Having to your own
by
mangled, bloodied corpse.
650 points. Oh, pretty close.
Gafgarion, you should really get out of that spot.
No, it's the safest place to be.
Like three canisters exploded next to you. Warning.
My privacy is gone.
Stuff like this spit on people all over the bathroom, I don't think.
Yeah, but that's the only time they're standing
here.
still.
Gino, run!
No, mine!
Flying.
Slap yourself into the water with the hunter on you.
Gino, I'm making you a bridge! I made you a bridge to safety!
There we go! Oosh.
You could have held that on the bridge, dude.
Fucking Zoe Bridge. GG.
We were supposed to save him.
I'm sorry.
I'm
You didn't
disappointed.
donate enough money.
Oh, I'm sorry. How much do you want?
Well, he's dead now, so
Enough
it's
for
gonna
2D
cost me.
waifu surgery?
Wow. That is just a perk. It is a coincidence that is a step on my path to
I
ascension.
should probably go play games with Zoe.